spent 48 hours coding in a CS building for a hackathon called DubHacks. That's like the most I've spent coding my entire life. You gotta stay till the end of the video because we low-key got scammed. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Sit back and relax and watch me try my best to lock in. Hey everyone, it's like 7:30 a.m. I literally just woke up because I got DubHacks in like a few hours at around 10 a.m. But for now, I'm just gonna go hit the gym because it's just something I do every morning. And yeah, I should have a nice pump right before I go into the hackathon. So yeah, let's go to the gym. Oh! Alright, so I just finished my gym workout and I'm going to the hackathon place now. I'm really excited. I don't know what's gonna happen because it's been a while since I did like an actual hackathon. Super excited about the food because I was looking at the food menu and it's not like your average, Domino pizza lunch or whatever. It's actually gonna be catered restaurant food. So looking forward to that. And I'm looking forward to meeting my teammates. I don't know how it's gonna go, but they're all CS majors. I'm the only person that's not the CS major. So yeah, I might be getting carried by them. It'll be a good experience though. Alright guys, so we just arrived at the hub, which is where the hackathon's gonna be at. And it's a really nice building. Like, look at that, man. Alright guys, I just checked in. I got this lanyard and they gave me like some free merch, which is cool. But yeah, it's like a lot of people right now. So it's gonna be a lot of competitors. I still don't see my teammates yet, so I'm just gonna chill around for like a few more minutes until the open ceremony. Yeah, I did see some of my friends that I already knew. But yeah, it's gonna be an interesting experience. All these people look pretty locked in. I did like no coding prep or anything. So I'm just everything that I do today and tomorrow, I'm just gonna be winging it. So we'll see how it goes.
We have a great lineup of speakers for our opening ceremony, and then at the end, Erica and I will run through logistics and everything you need to know to maximize your time this weekend.
So there were 3 companies that sponsored DubHacks. It was Amazon, Atlassian, T-Mobile. Students got to pick a track for a certain company. They would use the tools that the company hosts, like AWS or Jira. But our team decided to kind of do our own thing. Alright, hey guys, the opening ceremony just ended, and so we're gonna get some lunch now, and that's literally the main reason why I'm here. The food was pretty good. Alright guys, so we just got lunch, and it's just simple banh mi, and our team's gonna go to a different building because the main room is super crowded. So we actually got like a study room reserved for us. And so it's gonna be really nice because it's gonna be like our own space. It's got a whiteboard and everything where we can just jot down our notes. So yeah, I'll see you guys over there.
I don't have long nails, so I can't do the rest.
Whoa. Okay. This looks so good.
you love porn, bro.
I was in charge of the back-end side of things, and we actually decided to go with a betting app. My job was to be able to handle the requests whenever a user would create a bet on the UI. And it was honestly pretty complicated because there were so many different moving parts. So we decided just to take a break. I actually didn't talk to any of the recruiters there because the line was just way too long, but they did have free drinks, so I was super excited about that. Okay, it's 8:30 p.m. Our team got a working front end and back end, and we're just figuring out how to connect the two together. Pretty much gonna call it good for tonight. Tomorrow we're gonna work on practicing the presentation because we gotta pitch it to the judges at the end of tomorrow. Yeah, that pretty much wraps up day one. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Morning, everyone. It's the last day of the hackathon, and I'm going to the venue right now, and they're serving breakfast, which we're really looking forward to. And our team's just gonna work on creating a presentation that we gotta present to the judges. Yeah, it's not gonna be much coding because we already did most of that yesterday. So I'll see you at breakfast. I love bagels, man. You should try them if you never had them. Wait, that's pretty good.
No, they're actually really good.
Dang. Okay, that's how much time we had left for our final presentation. And here's what it looks like. Yeah, so the judging didn't actually happen. The judges there, they didn't even get to evaluate our project, which kind of sucked, but you know, it was all good because we just did it for the experience. And the best part was they had free lunch and it was catered from an Indian restaurant.